Hello everyone. Our today's topic is irrational numbers between the rational numbers. So let's see how to find out irrational numbers between given rational numbers. So there is question from grade 9 NCERT exercise 1.3 number system, chapter is number system, and question number 8. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5/7 and 9/8. First of all, we will convert the given rational numbers into decimal numbers. So let's convert 5/7 into decimal. So we cannot divide 5/7, so we'll have to put decimal. Now we can write 0 after 5. So 7 7 ja 49. Remainder is 1. Again write 0 after 1. Now 7 1 ja 7. 3. Write down 0. 7 4 ja 28. 2. Again write 0. 7 2 ja 14. 6. Again 0. 7 7 ja 49. 7 8 ja 56. Now again we'll have to write 0. 7 5 ja 35. We got 5. You can see the remainder is 5, which was our dividend. So this complete step will continue. Okay, so this step will be continue. It means 7 4 7 1 4 2 8 5. This group of digits will repeat again. Okay, so again you will write 0, then the same steps you will have to continue. It means decimal conversion of rational number 5/7 is 0.71428 okay. Now let's see decimal conversion of 9/11. Nine is smaller than 11, so write down 0, put decimal, write 0 here. 11 adds 88. Write down 0. 11 ones 11. 9. You can see if you will when you will write 0 here, so it will be 90 again. So there will be 81. Continuously 81 will repeat. It means recurring digits are 81. Not 81, the group of recurring digits 81. See, 11 8 ja 88. 11 1 ja 11. So this process, these steps will repeat continuously. It means this is actually non-terminating and recurring. So 9/11 equals to 0.81 bar. The group of recurring digits are 81. Here the group of recurring digits are 7 1 4 2 8 5. So these are rational numbers which are actually non-terminating. What is the meaning of non-terminating? Non-terminating means when there is no 0 in remainder. If we are not getting 0 in remainder, it means there is continuous division. Okay, so this type of rational numbers known as non-terminating. And why recurring? Recurring means when particular group of digits or particular digits is continuously repeating. Okay, so this type of rational numbers are called non-terminating recurring. Now this is also non-terminating recurring. Okay, what was our question? Our question was, we'll have to find out rational numbers. Sorry, we'll have to find out irrational numbers. Okay, we'll have to find out irrational numbers. To find out irrational numbers between these two rational numbers, what we did, we converted these rational numbers into decimal numbers which are non-terminating recurring. Okay, now to find out irrational numbers between them, we will observe, we will take the first two digits after decimal. Okay, in 5/7, the first two digits after decimal are 7 1, and here first two digits are 8 1. It means we can take any number between 7 1 and 8 1. So between 7 1 and 8 1, we can take 7 3, we can take 7 2, 7 5, 8 0, 7 8, 7 9. You can choose any two digit number between 7 1 and 8 1. Now let's see irrational numbers between them. So let's choose 7 5. So irrational number will be 0.75. Now let's see, we will write 0, then again repeat 7 5, then 2 times 0 7 5, 3 times 0 7 5, 4 times 0 7 5. Why? Because this is irrational numbers, and irrational number means what? Non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, so this is one of the irrational number. Now the second irrational number, let's take 0.80. So it will be 8 0 8, 3 times 0 8, 4 times 0 dash dash dash, and so on, because this is non-terminating. Second irrational number, let's take third irrational number as 0.77. 0 7 7, 2 times 0 7 7, 3 times 0 7 7, 4 times 0 7 7 dash dash dash. So this is how you can find out irrational numbers between two given rational numbers. Thank you.